Welcome to Supercharge Your Learning with AI. In this video, we'll recap AI introduction last week and explore how to use AI tools like ChatGPT and others to reinforce and deepen your understanding from all of remaining sessions of our MBA Financial Management course. Enhancing your knowledge is key in preparation for our upcoming sessions until the end of class for 2025. Why should you use AI to support your learning? First, AI helps reinforce understanding by offering interactive explanations. Second, it lets you apply theory to real-world decisions, bridging classroom learning and business practice. Third, you'll receive instant feedback, helping you check your understanding on the spot. And finally, AI helps you prepare smarter, making your study time more effective. Here's a great to re-emphasize the starting prompt for clarifying key concepts. Explain the key concepts from the first session of an MBA-level financial management course including time value of money, NPV, and discounting, in simple terms with practical examples for a business decision maker. Then quiz me on these concepts. Try to use this when you want both explanations and a quick quiz to test your understanding. We go together for a little bit details. The big question would be starting from, when do we need to use these? Plus what benefits of these using? And plus do we need to follow up or we need to further for perfection? You can use this prompt when you want clear explanations and practice questions. The benefits. You reinforce key ideas and practice active recall. Both are crucial for long-term learning. And don't stop there. Ask follow-up questions, whether you need a simpler breakdown or more advanced cases. Another powerful way to use AI is through real-life scenarios. Try this prompt. Act as a financial consultant helping an SME decide whether to invest in a new project. Use the financial decision-making tools we learned in session 1. Then walk through the analysis step by step using tools like NPV, IRR, and Payback Period. 4-step breakdown here for business application. You may use these as your guidance. Let's assume you come with blank idea. The AI can guide you through these 4 steps as the basis information for to go deeper ideas. Tell AI 4. Identify the problem. What's the investment decision? Apply financial tools. Use NPV, IRR, and Payback Period. Ask AI to give the numbers. Don't forget to ask AI for the inputs needed for calculating the requested numbers. Analyze the results. What do the numbers tell you? Make a decision. Use data to recommend action. This mirrors how financial managers think in the real world. Let's recap and prepare. For instance, you may use this prompt for the rest sessions. Give me a structured recap of what MBA students typically learn in the first session of a financial management course. You should give the information such as materials and etc. for AI to analyze, and suggest 4 principal questions here to explore before the next session. This helps you review, identify gaps, prepare, and connect concepts to the big picture. Let trial and share your opinion. Some quick tips to maximize your learning with AI. Practice actively. Don't just read. Having more and more engagement. Ask follow-ups. Dig deeper until meet your satisfaction. Combine resources. Use AI alongside class materials. Also keep enhancing your questions. Be specific. Clear prompts equals better results. Ready to try it out. If having a chance, Pick a prompt that fits your current learning goal. Try it out this week, even just for 10 minutes. Bring your experience, reflections, or even screenshots to our classmates for further discussion over this benefits of ASH. Get well prepared by reflecting on these questions similarly with your attempts. What did you try? What prompts worked best for you? What surprised you? Did you discover something new or unexpected? And most importantly, how will you apply this? Let's use AI not just as a tool, but as a partner in building your financial decision-making skills. Thank you and see you in class for the next session.